Excessive speed is one of the primary contributing factors in serious injury and fatality crashes. It's also the most common traffic violation in Ontario and most other jurisdictions. There are five main techniques used in speed enforcement. First involves officer on foot using a handheld electronic speed measuring device, usually utilizing radar or laser technology. When the officer spots a suspected speeding vehicle, points the device at the speeder, gets a corresponding reading, signals the driver to stop, and issues a ticket on the spot. The second technique uses similar technology, but this time the officer is in a police car on patrol. Here, there's equipment designed to track the speeds of other vehicles that are approaching from the front or rear in the same or opposing directions. When an officer observes a speeding vehicle, simply directs the driver to stop, issues a ticket on the spot. For the record, police don't have to show the speeder the radar or the reading at roadside, but in court must prove that they were qualified to operate that technology, tested it properly, observed a motor vehicle speeding, and be able to identify the driver. The next technique, kind of old school, is police just following the speeder and matching their speed. It's called pacing. It can be done from directly to the rear or to the side on a multi-lane highway. There is no minimum distance for a pace. The next technique involves an aircraft, more old school stuff. You'll see roadways with triangles or T's on the road. They're used for officers in an aircraft to make a time, speed, distance calculation. When they observe vehicle cross between the markings, they time it. And when they get a high speed, radio from the aircraft intercepting officers down below, and a ticket's issued on the spot. Now, these type of offenses could involve points. They'll be on the driver's license record, and extreme speeds can result in roadside suspension and vehicle impoundment. Now, the last technique is photo radar. And in these cases, some municipalities like Toronto operate this. A ticket goes to the registered owner of the vehicle. There are no points, and it doesn't go on the owner's record.